Put mozzarella on stale bread and you'll crave it nightly. I'm using 2 loaves here, cutting both in half. Once done, just place them on the board. Add about 3 slices of mozzarella on each loaf. Next, take some Tuscan sausage and crumble it on top. Remember to add only a thin layer. Now sprinkle diced bacon on top. After adding bacon, let's take it to our air fryer. We'll add a little bit of water here. Set it to 130 degrees for about 30 minutes. After that, open it and see how amazing this snack looks. Try it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was another quick recipe from Poor Man's Kitchen. A big hug to you all. See you next time and cheers!